What is Panophthalmitis? Inflammation of the whole eye of animal, inflammation of the ear of animal, inflammation of nose of animal, or inflammation of whole body of animal. And the correct answer is inflammation of the whole eye of animal. What is Boyle-Mariotte law? For a gas at a given temperature, pressure varies inversely as volume, specific gravity of gold, the law that makes ships sail on the sea, or none of the above. And the correct answer is for the gas at a given temperature, pressure varies inversely as volume. What is metallography? The study of structure of metals, the study of constitutions of metals, both or neither. And the correct answer is both. What is deuterium? Heavy hydrogen, an isotope of hydrogen of double mass, both or neither. And the correct answer is both. What is galvanoscope? An instrument for detecting electric currents, an instrument for detecting radio waves, both or neither. And the correct answer is an instrument for detecting electric currents. What is galvanism? Current electricity, medical treatment by electric current, both or neither. And the correct answer is both. What is panchromatic? Equally sensitive to all colors, unequally sensitive to all colors, equally insensitive to all colors, or none of them. And the correct answer is equally sensitive to all colors. What is paramnesia? Inability to distinguish between real and fantasy memory, memory loss, chromosome abnormality, or none of the above. And the correct answer is inability to distinguish between real and fantasy memory. What is Mesencephalon? Front brain, midbrain, rear brain, or none of them. And the correct answer is midbrain. What is Logistic? The art of calculations, sexagesimal arithmetic, art of movement and supply of troops, or all of the above. And the correct answer is all of the above. Watch our other videos. If you like this video, support us. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and press the bell icon.